Hey, what's up guys? This is Team Hard Life Captain Alberto Zertuche here, and I've got some updates with the Agape Ranch Toy Drive that we have started. We are at 482 toys. As of right now, we're shooting for 1,000, so we still got plenty of time. We also have another $120 that was donated in cash, so we'll be going shopping again today and tomorrow. On our drawings, we got drawing number 12. We have sold 18 tickets. That's for the SX Raptor. We have 10 left. Drawing number 14 for the MXL Raptor. We have sold 13. We have 16 left. Drawing number 15. We have the Hard Life Rod. We've sold 10 tickets. We have 16 left. Drawing number 16. We have sold 3. We have 35 left. Now, on the drawings, like I said, we're trying to get those done as quickly as possible so we can get some early Christmas gifts out. Also, too, we got more inventory coming in on Abbott's, so stay tuned for that unboxing video, which will be early next week. Yes. Now, back to the deal with the Agape Toy Drive. We are concentrating on toys for 15 to 18-year-old boys. We have 78 boxes we got to fill. So we are really concentrating on that because that's the majority of what's going on, what they need for. So again, guys, if you want to make a monetary donation, Cash App it to $Team Hard Life and include in there Agape Toy Drive, or just put Toy Drive, that's fine. And or come by the shop. Hard Lives Bait and Tackle, 1902 South Padre Island Drive, Corpus Christi, Texas, 78416. Now,
gotta bite. I think I got a lot of stress on my mind. It's a nice day to go. Yeah, I gotta line. I'ma call up the whole team.
I've got an unboxing video to do. Yes, we finally got some new gear in and it needs to go up. So let's go and work on that and we'll go ahead and see how it goes. But yes, it's been a while. Finally got our hoodies in, guys. Yes. Oh, yes. So right here, I've got small. So that's small. More likely this whole set is small. Yes. That. We've got medium right here. Awesome. Yes, sir. Large. There we go. Yeah. Yes. And we have 2X. Good deal. Yes. So that's one box. Got a couple more boxes. What else we got? We have XL in the black. There we go. So looks like, as y'all can see, we got a lot of work ahead of us. And then we have the 3X in the hoodies right there. Good. And we also have, 4X in the hoodies. Yes. And our final box, what do we got here? We got some chartreuse. Alright. Got medium. And I think we saw the mediums over here. Small, medium. Oh, right there. Medium. Got small. We also have large. There. And 3X. Well, now we got to start what we're doing right now with the inventory and hoodies. It's been real crazy, but we got another supplier coming in and giving us a hand, so stay tuned for that, because those are going to bring some pretty cool deals to the shop. But yes, guys, we are hard at work here at the shop. We're trying to bring in the new year as great as we can, but by paying it forward with the toy drive. So again, guys, we need your help. 15 to 18-year-old boys is what we're concentrating on for the toys. You know, puzzle books, art, you know, materials, deodorant, hygiene gear. You know, you can throw in some beanies or caps and stuff like that. I mean, you know, anything that they said basically they don't need batteries to operate. And the reason for that is, I mean, you know, it's an extra cost that they don't have to worry about. So stay tuned for that, guys. We are going to continue going through it. Sunday, we're going to spend all day wrapping the toys. There's just a lot of things we got to get done today, so we can square that away and get a lot of room for what we got going. So stay tuned for that one.